South Sudan's most high-profile trial is back in action. After days of legal wrangling, the special court in Juba has ruled that it does, in fact, have jurisdiction to hear the case against opposition leader Riek Machar and 7 co-defendants. This decision clears the way for the proceedings to continue, following last week's abrupt adjournment, which came after the defense challenged the court's authority and questions were raised over whether 2 of Machar's lawyers met the requirements to even represent him in a court of law. But Machar is facing a sweeping list of charges: treason, conspiracy, murder, crimes against humanity, and financing terrorism and the destruction of property, all stemming from the violent clashes earlier this year in Nasser. Prosecutors say the opposition leader helped orchestrate those attacks. His defense, meanwhile, maintains that the charges are politically motivated and the government is using the judiciary to eliminate rivals ahead of elections. So today's ruling is significant because it establishes that the court will push ahead despite those objections. But civil society groups are warning that this trial cannot be a stand-in for the long-promised hybrid court for South Sudan, which is an internationalized tribunal meant to prosecute war crimes from the broader conflict. Activists say if Juba is serious about justice, it must deliver on both fronts. The government, though, is striking a more cautious tone, with senior officials stressing that the trial will not derail the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. They insist that South Sudan is committed to peace and the national reconciliation, even as one of its most polarizing political figures now fights for his freedom in court. So what happens next? With jurisdiction settled, the trial is set to move forward into witness testimony and evidence presentation. But given the high stakes, every step will be closely watched, both at home where memories of the Civil War remain raw and abroad where diplomats are weighing whether this is justice or political theater. Before you go, if you'd like to support my work, you can grab a bag of coffee from the coffee roaster using my affiliate link. The show gets a small cut from each sale, and plus you'll be helping a local small business thrive. And the best part is that you'll get 10% off of your first order and they'll ship anywhere in the US. So place your order today using the link in my bio.